They're right over there, and they're very intently watching the buffalo, who are moving right over there. This could be very interesting. That is a huge buffalo.
That's a huge buffalo.
It's a huge buffalo.
Even the lion.
Yeah, they're too young. The one's gone already.
Don't you think there's a little?
I don't know. I think they're a bit young. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, he's looking at getting loose.
They're getting ready.
They're crouching.
She's quite big.
Does that mean attack position?
Yeah, it's a attack position.
Where's that female?
I can't see it.
This is amazing. They're running away. That big bull's gonna...
Uh-oh. What's the bull gonna do?
She's gonna eat this.
Oh my God.
Can we grab the baby?
Oh my God.
I'll grab the baby.
She's going for him. She's going for him. She got him. Oh, she did. She got him.
Baby, he's gone. He's just clocked a buffalo here.
Oh my God.
God, did you see that?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yes.
Unbelievable.
It's always gonna feel it.
You didn't have a fight. They messed around a little.
Oh, guys, I'm shaking. Can you believe this? The buffalo are coming to help this one now. Watch.
They're too
They'll
late.
come and help this baby. Watch.
They're too late. Can they help him now, Frank?
Yeah, they can.
He's still alive, you think?
Ah, he's still alive.
My goodness.
Rustle for Frank.
They're trying to drag him out. They're dragging him out.
Hulle het nou net 'n kleintjie gevang. Hier's lekker action hier so, jong. Hulle het 'n kleintjie hier so in die water en die trop is besig om nader te kom.
Still kicking or what? It's on its back. I hope they kill it quickly. Oh, it's still alive.
Ja, positief. Hulle het 'n klein buffeltjie gevang hier so.
There's a crocodile there too.
Ja, daar's 'n krokodil ook. Daar gaan 'n krokodil ook die kleintjie.
The
Yes.
crocodile.
Yeah.
Coming out
Look
with
at that.
Check through the banners. The croc's trying to grab the baby.
Yes. Oh, good gracious.
Look at this. The crocodile's taking the baby away.
Poor little thing getting
Oh my God.
both sides. They're two crocodiles.
They're going to lose it.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
they're going to fight over it.
Jeez, I'm shaking.
Oh my God. Oh, he's coming for huge crocodile. Three. Oh, look at those dogs.
The lions have won.
The lions have won.
Oh, the lions have won.
Yeah, but look at all those buffalo coming.
I'm running out of film.
No, they're going to come and try and chase the lion, but I think they're too late.
I think you're right.
They're way too late now.
No, they're going to chase him. Come on.
No, they're too late.
You realize it?
Oh, look at the teeth. Look at them. They're going to chase. Look at the teeth, Jay. Look at them.
You're too late.
Check this.
You're too late.
You guys, you cannot believe what's going on here. There's a big barrier between lions, crocodiles and buffaloes.
Look at them all.
Whoa! He swatted at him and kicked at him. He's kicking at him. Look, he's kicking at him.
Run.
Look at him run.
What have we got to do?
Ja, julle ouens, julle moet sien wat hier aangaan, jong. Die buffels is besig om die leeu's te omsingel hierso en hulle want die leeu's het 'n klein njatie gevang. En hierdie njaties wil die leeu's nou bykom. Hulle jag die leeu's links en regs.
Ooh, they got him surrounded.
Ja, jy kan maar kom, jong. Hier's
And that
groot
one's...
aksie.
Ooh!
Oh,
Chasing him.
big water.
Go on, John.
Oh my God.
Chasing him. Will he go in the water?
Uh-oh. How are we going to kill him now?
You got the lion on him, run.
That little buffalo is still alive.
Brave king of the beast.
The others are doing though. They're getting them at the other end.
Go on, Buffalo.
Yes, can you believe this?
Never seen that before.
I've never seen anything like
The
that.
calf's still alive.
It is?
Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's standing up.
It is, it's still alive. Oh, is it?
Oh, and they're pushing them into the water.
It's standing up. It's
He's standing up. He's run away.
And
Oh,
it's
they've got
He's
us back.
gone.
They've got it back.
They've got him back.
They do have him back.
Hierdie buffels het die leeu's weggevat van hy kleintjie af en
They got him back.
Alle
They're
jagen
cutting
die
the
leeu's
other
weg.
ones. They're still chasing him.
We're still chasing.
Check.
Back in with the herd. And they're two lions.
Oh, they're going back.
No, they're two lions.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
I've never seen anything like this.
Look, they're running. Look at them running.
There's two left.
Gee, they chased him away.
Oh, they're terrified.
But they hooked the one, did you see they hooked the one?
Dude,
Look
they
at
look
this.
the one.
And they got the other one.
Go on, Buffalo, go on. And there's another one.
Oh, the big
Oh,
one.
oh, oh,
Look at this big
oh,
bull.
oh, run.
That leeu's, that lion's injured, you see that? But you see that buffalo throw that one in the air?
Yes.
I got it now. It's coming.
Yeah,
wonder
these
if they-
others are coming to help as well.
Look, these are some more coming to them.
Yeah, I got him. I got him being thrown in the air.
Njaties het die daai klein njatie se lewe gered en hierdie klomp gonnies weggejag. Ongelooflik.
That's a fight and a half.
That was really something.
Did that one lioness that was lying
How
down
many
go?
buffalo do you reckon there, Frank?
Hey, in this little group here, there must be more than 100, eh?
Yes.
Look at
I
that
mean,
one
you just
lion.
take 10.
Yeah. No, there's easily
He's coming back.
He's fearless, this lion.
Isn't he?
No, but he's stupid, he's young.
Yeah.
You
Doesn't
better
know when
run,
he's
my
gonna-
son.
Where's the little one?
I've never seen anything like this.
Really? You've never seen anything?
Never seen anything like this. I mean, I've seen it on video and on movies, but how's this?
Well, you can sell that video.
Yeah, probably. Should double.
When buffalo attack.
Yeah.